Hey everyone, it's Hannah here and thanks for coming to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I do post a new video here every week. Also, make sure to click that notification bell button so you're notified on when a new video will go up. But without further ado, you guys, let's just get straight into this video. Alright guys, so today I will be doing my first impression review and lip swatches from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics from her new Nude lipstick collection. Now I only have two of the lipsticks and those are Amazeballs and Hustles. I'm super excited to try these out. Just received the package in the mail, and this is how the lipstick come in, this bubble wrap, and here are the two lipsticks right. This is what the unicorn looks like. It has Jaclyn Cosmetics on the front. See right here on the top we have the names of the lipsticks. We have Hustle and Amazeballs, and then on the back of the unicorn we have jaclyncosmetics.com #Jaclyn, which I'm assuming is the hashtag they want you to use. So these do retail for $18 each with 3.7 grams of product. I really want to see the packaging of how these look. So when you open it up, that's how it looks inside. You just have to pull this out like so, and then that's your lipstick. I was really skeptical on how this was going to look once it got here. It's not, like she said in her videos and her reveal video, it's not the kind of glitter that you can feel. It has a sealant. I mean, it's sealed, so there's no glitter chunks or anything like that. And then you have the embossed little crystal on the top to look like a diamond with her JH on the back. And then on the bottom, thank God, it does say the name. So this is Amazeballs. Now it's not extremely heavy, but it is pretty nice feeling. It doesn't feel cheap. And I want to compare this. I'm going to compare the packaging, like for example the KKW cream lipsticks. I love those lipsticks, but the packaging is just a little cheap. It reminds me of Claire's, so this is definitely not like that. And the reason why I bring up packaging is because I like to have a really pretty lipstick. I mean, I carry my lipstick in my bag with me, and this is just really cute to pop out of your bag. Go ahead and pop that off, and then you have right here, this is Amazeballs. She said they do have a scent, but it is so light. It reminds me of like vanilla toffee, but it's so faint, like you could barely smell it. So I guess that's a good thing. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Amazeballs. Use my little handy mirror right here, and let's go in. So that is one swipe. Alright guys, so this is what Amazeballs is. Is this Amazeballs? Yeah, Amazeballs is looking like on the lips. It is a little teeny tiny too light, but I could definitely wear this color with a lip liner. Like one of my favorite ones is the KKW Nude 1 lip liner. I really like that one, so I'm gonna kind of see how that looks later on. But it does look very pretty on the lips. The color is not too bad, but again, I couldn't really wear this alone. I would have to wear it with the lip liner. When it comes to the actual texture of the lipstick, I always go back to KKW just because that's one of the lipsticks I always wear all the time. It's a tiny bit creamier than that one, but again, she just said these are not matte and they're not shiny, they're just in between. So I think it is a very creamy lipstick. I definitely think if you just kind of like let it just take a little tissue and just spot down a little bit, you can make it matte, or use a little bit of translucent powder to make it matte. It feels really good on lips. Ignore my butthole lips right now. They're really crusty and just not it. Other than that, it looks fine. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, oh, it transfers, it doesn't transfer. That's not a real lipstick review, because at the end of the day, if you're looking for a lipstick that doesn't transfer or doesn't rub off, then don't get a bullet lipstick. Go ahead and get a liquid lipstick, because most generally creamy lipsticks or just traditional bullet lipsticks will come off and will rub off. But yeah, so this is what Amazeballs looks like on the lips, you guys. Then Hustle does look a little bit more on the brownie peach side, and this one right here is Hustle, and then this one over here is Amazeballs. And that is with one swipe. I think this one, you guys, is really my nude. So hold on. You guys, can we talk about how beautiful this looks on my lips? I think this is legit my perfect nude. And I'm not surprised because I had a really strong feeling that Hustle was going to be my perfect nude from her collection. But this looks really pretty. I'm really impressed and happy with Hustle. So definitely Hustle is like the highlight of this show, okay? I want to go ahead and apply both Hustle and Amazeball on my lips with a lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and use the KKW Nude 1 lip liner. I want to go ahead and apply the lipstick like I would and see how it turns out. So let's see, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm totally feeling myself in the camera right now, as you can tell, but this is how it looks combined. I went ahead and lined my lips with the KKW Nude 1 lip liner, very subtle just around the lips, and then I applied Hustle Amazeballs in the center. So I'm really in love with how this combination looks. I don't know, man, I really love Hustle and Amazeballs. Mixed together, having Amazeballs in the center looks so good. I'm loving it. The only one that was the same price that I really enjoy is the KKW one. That's why I keep comparing it to that one, because the price points are the same. However, the packaging on the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks are definitely A+. Creaminess is really nice. I like that. I'm not mad at it. And if I do want to make my lips look up a little bit more matte, I would just go ahead and apply a translucent powder or just get a little tissue. But I'm really into the creamy lipsticks. I enjoy how this looks on my lips right now. Very pretty, very flattering, not mad at it. For this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post new videos here every week. And make sure you click that notification bell button so you're notified on when a new video is up. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali, because I'm really popping on the Instagram, and I talk a lot about other stuff or the products that I probably don't post on here, but just in general, I'm always on Instagram, so why not go ahead and follow me there. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Okay, weird. I'm so weird.
Probably have a man, but I don't really wanna ask that. I don't wanna know why you blowing up my phone. We supposed to keep this on the low.